He's flying! Damn. Today is an extremely special day because I am installing Supermoto street tires on the G4 Max. I've never been more excited for a YouTube video. Just imagine street tires on the G4 Max. Don't forget to like and subscribe because I got this scooter to the 10th floor. I have no elevator. So let's start doing it. First things first, we should take the battery out. Unplug this cable right here. Just like that. Oh my god, this battery is huge. Oh my god. Jesus, man. I just broke my back. Now, obviously, the next step is to take out the rear motor. Come on. Now, the fender should come off. This thing is dirty. G4 Max with no rear fender. Now, we have to disconnect the wires from the controller itself. And that's the controller right there. Should be able to take it out just like that. And man, that's a lot of thermal paste. The motor wires come out this way. On the sides, the lights should come off. Let's get the rear ones too. Now, this is the cable right here. We just have to disconnect those 3-phase wires. And this is the whole wire. Now, you just have to take them out, nice and slow. Be careful to not rip them apart. Okay, now I should be able to just take them out from the other side. Okay, push it in that hole right there. And now the rear motor is safe to be removed. Also, be careful because these motors are really heavy. Just imagine how cool will this street tire look on it. Now let's take the front motor out too. First step is again to disconnect all the wires. Now we can get the wires through that small hole right there. Now I just have to cut those zip ties and the wires are loose. Now we just have to unscrew these two on both sides. And now it should just come off just like that. There we have them, 2 G4 Max motors. Oh my god. G4 Max with 0 motors, dude. Now, before we continue, one extremely important step is to deflate your tires. Once I forgot to do that and I destroyed my rim. Now we have to take the disc brake off. Just like that. Bam! Now we just have to open the rim. Okay, that is your motor right there. I had a flat before and I fixed it. I'm just gonna clean it a little bit. The next step is to just take the rim out of its place together with the inner tube. This is the perfect moment to see those tires side by side. I can tell that the street tires are just a little bit smaller. Those are way wider. I'm going to spray the inside of this tire with a little bit of soap. Now I should simply install the inner tube. Now I have to put the rim in position. Damn, this is getting in shape. Put the wires in. Try to be careful because this is the part where a lot of people puncture their inner tube. Now I have to put some screws in place. Don't screw them all the way in, just place them in position. Push really hard on the tire. What I usually do is to check if the inner tube got in between the rims. After you've done all the checks, you are safe to put the screws back. This looks absolutely gorgeous. Just look at them side by side. I would say that's a big difference right there. We can now put the disc brake back. Just like that, the rear wheel is ready to go. I'm gonna skip the process for making the front wheel too, because you got a point. I was trying to install the rear motor on the front. That's not possible. They have different sizes. We have the front motor in place. Just look at that. Now you have to put the wire back in place and then just put the cables back into that hole. Now let's install the rear wheel. Come on, come on, come on. Let's not forget about the fender. We have to put the cables back. And connect the wires back into the controller. Now let's just put the side lights back in position. And also the rear side LEDs. I just have to put the controller back in position. And now last but not least, the controller cover. Now finally everything is back in place. Let's test it real quick. Let's put the battery in place. Come on, come on, come on. Let's turn it on. Okay, it works. Believe me or not, this process took me an entire day, so please like and subscribe. It will mean the world to me. Let's switch to dual motor, speed mode 3, and full throttle. Oh my god. Everything works perfectly. We should definitely test it out. What are my first impression on the G4 Max with the street tires? Man, for some reason it feels extremely aggressive. I think that small difference in size of the tire makes the motors way more powerful. I mean, I'm gaining speed insanely fast right now. And wow, it is also so smooth. That's an insane difference right there. We should add some pressure in the tires. We are going to meet Mr. Clow. Oh my god, dude. Just look at this. Bam! I'm gone. Just like that. 50 kilometers an hour. Dude! It is so fast right now. Wow. So apparently having street tires indeed makes the scooter faster. I don't know how many of you guys noticed, but I have a pig right now on my handlebar. Oh my god. Oh my god. Dude, this is flying. 70 kilometers an hour already, dude. What is this? Wow! It is also extremely windy outside. I don't know if you can hear it. Go on, don't speed test. Go on, go on, go on, go on. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 70. Oh my god! 75. There is absolutely no way. Dude! Dude, this is insanely fast. What do you guys think about the pig? I really like it. It is so adorable. The scooter picks up speed so fast. Like I'm barely touching the throttle. Just look at this. Wow! Is it worth upgrading to street tires? I will definitely say yes. Let's go in the under tunnel. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Woo! Let's go! Oh my god! Dude, this is absolutely out of this world. Also the stability, it is way, way, way smoother. I straight up feel like I'm flying on the street. We've got Mr. Clow right here. Oh my god. He just had a really bad accident. Like, you can tell just by looking at him, he's destroyed. He also broke his helmet. Oh my god, dude. The helmet saved him. Somehow the G4 is still alive. This G4 has been through a lot. What do you think about my street tires?
I don't know how it feels, but it looks so nice. It's better.
They are so clean. I also got a pig. I've never seen this guy in such worse situation. He's barely walking. Look at that hand right there. Just be careful at the crosswalks. They are extremely dangerous. Cars don't see you at all. Please be careful. I'm just going to follow Mr. Clow. He's in a really bad shape. It is so windy outside. Like, what is wrong with this weather? Having smaller tires, it really makes a difference in terms of power. Like, wow. Oops, lost some paint right there. So if you are ever planning to get some street tires on your scooter, it doesn't matter what you're riding. You can be riding the G2, the G2 Pro, the G3 Pro, the G2 Master. It is absolutely worth it. The difference you feel on the scooter is just stunning. We've got Mr. Clow on the road. Let's go. Whee! I'm really sorry for the hole in my glove. How are you guys doing? What have you been upgrading on your scooter lately? I wanna know. Oh my god, dude. Why would he do this? Oh my god. And that's how accidents happen. Cars don't give a shit about you. Take care of yourself out there. Dude, this thing is picking up speed so fast. And still, Mr. Clow is going at the same speed as I do. What was wrong with that guy? In the first day I got my hands on the G4 Max, I thought to myself, dude, imagine street tires on this model. I actually swapped street tires before on the G3 Pro. That was an absolute failure because I literally forgot to release the air from the wheel. This is the best feeling ever. Summer is just around the corner and we are gonna do ride outs every day, dude. There is gonna be some fire content on the channel. Dude, how is Mr. Clow that fast? I'm going 75 kilometers an hour. I should be able to keep up with him. If you're planning to buy a scooter soon, just make sure you have e-brake. Like the G3 Pro has e-brake, the G2 Master has e-brake, the G2 Max. I don't know about the G2 Pro though. Wow, I can lean so much. This is a huge amount of traffic right here. Imagine staying in this traffic inside the car, getting bored to death. Woo! You also have to be extremely careful because somebody could just open up a door and then you're cooked. Electric is the way, guys. Prove me wrong. Let's say you are getting a motorcycle on gas. That's way wider. You won't be able to cut traffic like that. But with an e-scooter, you have no problems. Let me just look at this gas bike. We are way faster than this guy. A lot of kids buy expensive PC setups, gaming setups and all that. And they're just telling me, yo, I had the money for a scooter and I just bought myself a PC. And you're just staying bored in their house. I mean, there is nothing wrong to play on your PC. That's fun. But going out with your friends and ride together, that's just another level. Just look at Mr. Cloud chilling in his slippers. That's extremely dangerous, but okay. He's a professional. Don't try this at home. He's doing a wheelie. Oh my god. Mr. Cloud is back in game. So if you really want to have fun this summer, trust me and get yourself a KuKirin scooter. You won't regret it. Back in the days, people had horses and they were riding their horses in order to clear their mind. Now we have motorcycles, we have scooters. Oh yeah. Mr. Cloud is having the meal of his life right now. We are at McDonald's. The scooters are chilling in the background. Today is an extremely beautiful day. Just look at these pigeons, dude. There are so many. Yeah. Oh. That's a wild wheelie right there. Wow. Back in the days when I was a kid and I firstly got myself a bicycle, I was so happy because I had a lot of opportunities. I was able to explore a lot. Like for now, for your age, to be able to have these kind of scooters, it's a total game changer. You could go out and explore everything. Right now I'm on the streets of my city and I see KuKirins everywhere. Everyone got a KuKirin scooter. That's what you should do at your age. Enjoy your life, dude. Oh, damn. V10 engine, and he's staying in the traffic. We are not. What was I saying? Just look at them. There are so many. We've got some fans in here. Easy way to just create a ride out. Just like that. Bam. We are 4 right now. Woo! Dude, just look at us. We just formed out a ride out of nowhere. Completely random. And Mr. Cloud is wheeling. Pop up the wheel just like that. Yeah. Yeah. That's clean. Oh, those streets are gross. I just made my street tires dirty right now. Dude, I love the fact that I can lean a lot on the G4 Max right now. When it comes to grip, if you upgrade to street tires, you will instantly feel a difference. Just look at this. We are leaning left and right. Whoa. Apparently he really enjoys leaning in those curves. Yo, what is up with this guy? What's up? He was just following us in this entire time. Where is Mr. Cloud taking me though? I low-key have no idea where are we going. If you have the range and the possibility to get out of your town, sure, do it. Just make sure you have enough battery to get back home. This is the vibe, dude. Get your friends and get out there. We are in the middle of nowhere, but we are enjoying the hell out of it. Looks like we've got ourselves into a forest or something. I just switched to single motor because I want to conserve the battery. I don't want to Uber myself home from here. I still have half a battery though. It should be enough. Look, there are a lot of kids out there with their bikes. We are in the middle of nowhere and 2 KuKirin scooters just followed us. Oh my god. What's up? What's up? This is the most random thing ever. Those 2 kids just saw us on the street and they just started following us. What? Like, that's insane. There is no way, dude. Another one. In what universe? You are just randomly going on the street and the pack of kids is just following you. What? Like, we are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 scooters right here in the middle of nowhere. Nobody is here. This was random. I really hope I'm gonna make it home. I wanna thank you guys so much for watching till the end of this video. You are absolutely amazing. Stay tuned.